recording as well as let me start my class. Okay. So number 3, let us try. Okay. Let us do it. So now in question number 3, so it is written that so factorize. So all the questions are related with the factorization. Factorization means take common. Factorize, take common. Okay. So here, what we have done in question number 1, question number 2, we have taken common. So 2 and 6, what was common? 2 was common. Okay. So when 2 was common, then what was left? So x in bracket x plus, so 2, 3 is just 6. So 3. Please, your background should be silent. Okay. So 2 bracket x plus 3. Okay, bracket close. And in that way, your answer was completed. Okay, one line answer was there. Okay, last time we used to do it. Now let us go for number 3. The same thing. Okay, number A ma jaun la. M x plus 1 plus 2 m plus 1. Okay, the question seems to be a little bit twisted over here. Alikati thula dekhincha la yo ta garo cha. Garo chaina jhan sajilo. Okay, so look at here. So m plus 1 plus 2 m plus 1. So now think that, let me write something. So think that this is one number, a single number. This is a single number. This is also a single number. M plus 1, M plus 1. They are the single number. Okay. So if M plus 1 is a single number, then take this number as common. Right? M plus 1 like commonly. M plus 1 will be common. So what will be left? M plus 2 will be left. So let me show you the next clip over here. Okay, so I have solved this one. So look at here. So m plus 1 plus 2 m plus 1. So what is common? M plus 1 m plus 1. Both are same. Look at here. M plus 1 sa eta pani m plus 1 is. Okay. So if m plus 1 they are common, then your data like gane euta thama lekdine m plus 1. This is common number. M plus 1 is the common number. So what is left? So here m is left. What is left over here? Plus 2 is left. That means m plus 1 common lekhne, m plus 2 arko side ma lekhne. Okay. So in this way we can complete number 3A. Right. So just this one is common, and whatever thing is remaining, so let us write down that as the remaining number. So m plus 2 lai arko bracket with the lekhine. Okay. There should not be any plus or minus sign outside the bracket sign. Bracket sign ko bhitra bahira katai pani plus minus sign hunu bhayena. Okay, so this is number C bhanda pani पहिला B number हेर्ने. So look at question number B. So hope there is any problem. So look at number B. A minus B, minus B, A minus B. Okay, what is common over here?
A minus B.
Okay, A minus B is common. So let us write down in this way. So A minus B is common. So put the bracket. Okay. Now use the next bracket. A minus B, A minus B. They are common. So what is left? A minus B. Okay. Your data ne baki rahi. A minus B is left. So write down A minus B. So that is your answer. A minus B, A minus B. They are common. So let us write down this as in a single bracket. And whatever number is remaining. Okay. So let us write down this in the next bracket. A minus B arko bracket. And see, there should not be any plus or minus sign outside the bracket sign. Okay, plus minus hunu bhayena. So if you see the previous numbers, whatever you have done in question number 1 and 2, there was also no plus or minus sign outside the bracket. Bracket by the party plus minus sign thiena. Number 1 and 2 गरिसकेछ भन्ने तिमीहरुले. Okay, so let us go to question number C now. Okay, hope you have done it. Shall I erase it? Okay, let me rub it. Let us go to the next question. Number C. Now the question is a little bit twisted over here. So x 3 minus y is there, minus 2 y minus 3 is there. The number which was inside the bracket, they are not matching. Here is 3 minus y, here is y minus 3. Okay, now we cannot take this one in a single bracket now. So what shall we do now? Okay, But if you see it properly, then look at here, note what it is written in the note. So you can see a same number or not. Here is 3, okay, there is 3. There is y, okay, there is y. Okay, okay, we got the same number. What is different? There is difference in the sign. Okay, there is difference in the sign. See once whether there is difference in the sign or not. So here is plus 3, but what is there? There is minus 3. There is difference in the sign. Okay, so let us see the next number also. There is minus y, but instead of minus y, what is there? There is plus y. Okay, what we can see is that, so we can see the same number but with the different sign. If there is same number with a different sign, then what shall we do then? We need to take minus sign as common. यो जुन पछाडिपट्टिको नम्बर छ नि हो त्यसको माइनस साइन कमन लिने. ओके, अब यो माइनस साइन कमन भने के हो? लेट अस सी ओभर हियर. Okay, so look at here. So x 3 minus y. Let us write on this as it is. X 3 minus y. Okay. Now let us take minus sign common. Now this minus sign common भनेको चाहिँ के हो भन्दाखेरि, now we need to know that.
Mommy, कुन class?
We need to know that. So plus sign, it means minus into minus. Minus into minus, it is what? Minus minus, it is plus, isn't it? So minus minus plus huncha, plus plus पनि plus huncha. Okay. Okay, so please no noise. Background must go around by now. Okay, so we need to know that if there is plus into plus, same sign, plus into plus, that is plus plus. What you need to say, what we used to say, it is plus. Okay, minus into minus, again it becomes plus. So plus into minus, plus minus, it becomes minus. Plus minus minus. Minus into plus, it becomes minus. Okay, so के याद गरौँ भन्दाखेरि plus plus plus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus plus minus. Okay, this I think you have already learned in the previous classes also. Okay, so previous class में के पढेको थियौँ भन्दाखेरि, so if there is same sign, plus plus same sign, minus minus same sign. If there is same sign, it is going to be plus, plus plus plus, minus minus plus. Okay, if there is different sign, that means plus into minus or minus into plus. That means if there is different sign, then the result is going to be minus. Okay, the result is going to be minus. So what I'm trying to say is over here. So we are going to take minus sign as common. Okay, minus sign like common linear. That means if you are going to take minus sign as common, then we need to change the sign now. Okay, so you पनि लेखिराखौं side मा. So eta हेरौं त अब. So this write down as it is. Okay, x 3 minus y. Let us write down as it is. Let me little bit zoom this one. Okay, so here we can see that x minus y is there. Now to make it same, x 3 minus y is y minus 3 is there is different sign over here. Okay, like same one like we need to change the sign. We need not the minus, so plus y, we need minus y. We don't need minus 3, we need plus 3. Okay, because there is plus 3 minus y, so we need to change the sign. So let us take minus sign as common. Okay, minus sign common in minus minus, it becomes plus. Okay, whatever sign is there, either minus plus like me. Plus, if there is plus, then write down minus sign. Just change the sign. Okay, so जुन अगाडिपट्टि छ नि हो त्यसलाई चेन्ज गर्ने. Minus छ भने make it plus. Okay, if there is plus sign, make it minus. Okay, So अगाडिको लाई change गरौँ पहिला. Now when you take minus sign as common, then what will happen? Now change this one also. So this plus y becomes minus y. Okay. So plus y becomes minus y. Minus 3 becomes plus 3. Is that okay or not? Right. So change the sign now. Right. So minus, when you change the minus sign as plus sign, that means sign like change गऱ्यो भने, so y plus y becomes minus y, minus 3 becomes plus 3. Okay. So this thing you need to remember. अब यस्तो गरेपछि के गर्ने त भन्दाखेरि the next line write down this number as it is again, x 3 minus y, okay, plus 2. Okay, now let us reverse the sign now. So reverse means let us change the position of this one. Okay, so because so here is 3 minus y, here is minus y plus 3. It looks like a little bit awkward over here. Okay, अलिकति अर्कै देखिरहेछ, सेम छ तर अलिकति अर्कै देखिरहेछ, फरक देखिरहेछ. So there is minus y, okay, minus y. There is plus 3, there is also plus 3, but it doesn't seem same. So what shall we do? Let us change the position of it. Plus 3 ला अगाडि लेख्ने, plus 3. Minus y लाई पछाडि लेख्ने, minus y. Okay. Now 3 minus y. Can you see the same number now? Y minus 3 minus y, 3 minus y. So 3 minus y, 3 minus y. Now we got the same type of number over here now. So y minus 3, y minus 3, they are common. Okay. Now what is left now? Y plus 2 is left, y plus 2. So this, in this way, we will get our beautiful answer. Okay. So listen again. So here, so x 3 minus y. So if there is different sign, okay, so instead of minus y, there is plus y. Instead of plus 3, there is minus 3. So यस्तो खालको छ भने के गर्ने, पहिला चेन्ज गर्ने साइन. माइनस लाई पहिला के लेख्ने, प्लस लेख्ने. If there is plus, make it minus. Right? So पहिलाको यो जुन अगाडिपट्टिको साइन छ नि, so change the sign first. Okay, so plus 2. Now, so plus y becomes minus y, minus 3 becomes plus 3. Okay, now you can see the same type of number over here. So plus 3 is there, plus 3. Minus y is there, minus y. Now, to make it same, so in the second line, what we'll do? We will just change the position. Okay, so here, so plus 3 is in front, minus y is in the back side. Okay, so let us change this number position. Let us change the position. Plus 3 ला अगाडि लेख्दिने, minus y ला पछाडि लेख्दिने. Okay, now, so they are same again. Y minus 3, y minus 3, they are, sorry, 3 minus y, 3 minus y, they are same. So let's write down 3 minus y. Okay, as common. Now what is remaining? X minus 2, x plus 2 is remaining. So x plus 2. In this way, we will get our answer. Okay, hope you understood this number. Okay, so let us go for number D over here. Okay, so it happens same, sir. 1 minus AB. B, AB minus 1. You can see the same number again. Plus 1 is there, but minus 1 is there. A minus AB is there, but here is plus AB. Same number, but different sign. Same number, but different sign. What shall we do? So if there is plus, what did I say just before? If there is plus, change the sign. अगाडिको change गर्ने. You write down as it is. The front number write down as it is. So 1 minus AB. So you अगाडिको जस्तो त्यस्तै लेख्ने पहिला. Okay. So plus becomes minus. We are taking minus sign common. So minus plus minus. It's a minus लेख्ने. Now after that, so plus AB becomes minus AB. Minus becomes plus. Okay. So minus plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Now we got the same numbers now. Minus AB, okay, minus AB. Plus 1, okay, we got the same thing now. Okay. So what shall we do? The next step is change the position of it. We need to make the same type of number. Okay. So what shall we do? Change the position. So plus 1 will come in front. Minus AB will go back side. Hey, one line. अगाडि लेख्ने minus AB ला पछाडि लगाइदिने. Okay. Now we can see the same number. 1 minus AB, 1 minus AB. So if you see the same number 1 minus AB, 1 minus AB over here, then what we can do? We can take this as common. 1 minus AB like common लिने. अनि यता के उब्रो त 1 minus B is the remaining number. So this is our answer. Okay. So this is our answer. Okay, so this is in which page number?
244.
Hello. Where are you listening me? Huh?
No,
Sound. There was no sound just before.
yes, no,
Right. The mic was
your
off.
mic is.
Sorry. My mic was off. That's why some student was just looking at the screen only. Okay, up to which number the sound was coming?
F. Everything.
F number. Okay.
Yes,
Sorry. So I just saw one student just looking at the screen only. I was wondering why she was just looking at the screen only. So when I checked my audio, my mic was off. Sorry. Okay. Up to which number? F number?
Yes.
Okay, sorry. Look at here. Okay. Uh, Look at here again. Sorry. So m square, m minus n. Actually, I have already completed S number. I thought the mic was on. That's why. Okay. So m square, m minus n. So n. So take plus sign as common. Okay, because you can see the same number m minus n minus m was there. Okay. So since there was a different sign, different same number but different sign. So what shall we do? So take minus sign as common. So minus sign common लिँदाखेरि minus लाई plus लेख्दिने. Okay. So mn. Okay, mn. Okay, so when you take minus sign common, so we need to change the sign. Minus becomes plus, sorry, plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. So third line, what we should do? So we need to change the position. Okay, so we have already changed the sign. Now change the position. Plus m ला अगाडि लेख्ने, minus n लाई पछाडि लेख्दिने. So m plus n. Okay, you can see the same number now. M plus n, m minus n. You can see the same number. So अगाडि लेख्दिने लाई. Okay. Now what is left now? M square plus mn. M square plus mn. They are remaining. So m square plus mn लाई यता लेखिदिने. Okay. Now, so what to do? So in other steps, okay, अरु number मा के थियो त भन्दाखेरि, so we used to complete our answer up to here itself. यतै सकिन्छ तिम्रो answer. Okay, तर यहाँ अझै दुईटा लाइन थपिएको छ. किन थप्यो त भन्दाखेरि because there is still common. Okay, there are still some number common over here. M minus n मा के छ common? There is no any common. But here there is common. के common छ त? M square भनेको कतिवटा m? दुईटा m छ यता. mn भनेको m into n हो. So look at here. I have done in the note over here. यो नम्बरलाई मैले यसरी लेखेको छु यता. m square भनेको के हो? m into m. mn भनेको m into n. So m and m, they are common. Okay. So what is remaining? M. What is remaining? N. In this way we have taught, isn't it? Class question number 1 and 2. So यही तरिकाले गर्ने हो. So m common रह्यो यता because m is common. What is remaining? Plus m. What is remaining? Plus n. They are remaining over here. So तिमीहरुको यो चाहिँ कहाँ हुनु पर्यो? दिमागमा सेट हुनु पर्यो. This should be done in the mind, not in the note. Sideमा note बनाएर लेख्ने होइन. Okay. So make it in your mind, set it in your mind how to do this number, how to solve this number. M square plus mn. के common छ? M common छ because m सानो. M square भनेको दुईटा m हो. Okay. So दुईटा m हो, एउटा m common लेख्छु. Okay. So दुईटा m मा एउटा m लेखे. कतिवटा m बाँकी रह्यो? एउटा m बाँकी रह्यो. Okay. Plus. Okay. So one m we have already written common. So what is left? N is left. Okay. यसरी गर्ने हो. M plus n is remaining. Now, so there is no any common over here. So m लाई के लेख्दिने? अगाडि लेखिदिने. अगाडि लगाइदिने. अगाडि ढकाल्दिने. Okay. So let us take this m in front. Now let us write down the same number. M minus n, m plus n. Okay, so m लाई अगाडि लेख्दिने. If there's any problem, you can ask. Any problem? If there's any problem, tell me. This line you have not understood or something like that. Because we just have 8 minutes now. Any problem? Okay, no problem. Then let me go to question number H. Okay, so similarly, let us go to number H. So 3m, 2m minus 4n is there. So already got the right on edge it is, because here we can again see the same numbers, 2m, 2m, 4n, 4n, but here is just opposite sign. Plus becomes minus over here, minus like plus by etc. Different sign is there. Again, the same technique. Okay, so you can call it ninja technique. Okay, now minus becomes plus. Let us change the sign. Okay, we need to change the sign over here. We need to change the sign this side also. So plus becomes minus 4n. So minus 2m becomes plus 2m over here. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Now you can see the same number. Tara alikati position ठीक छैन. So what shall we do in the second line, in the third line? So just change the position. Plus 2 लाई अगाडि लेख्दिने, plus 2m लाई minus 4n लाई पछाडि लेख्दिने. So plus 2m minus 4n, plus 2n minus 4n. Okay, so now they are common over here. So plus 2m minus 4n, 2m minus 4n, they are common over here. So if they are common, then what we can do? So let us take this as common. What is left over here now? So 3m plus 6. 3m plus 6 is common, is the remaining number. Okay. अघिको जस्तै नै के गर्ने त यता? So सक्यो त्यो answer? छैन, because there is still some common number left now. There is still common number left. So what is common? 2 र 4 मा के common छ? Okay. So 2 is common. दिमागमा सेट गर्ने है. 2 भनेको त 2 भइहाल्यो. 4 means 2 into 2. यसको फ्याक्टर निकाल्ने. 4 भनेको 2 into 2. That means एउटा 2 common निकाल्ने. Okay, so यता m लेख्ने. So m minus, so 2 into 2 means 1 2 we have already taken common. So what is left? So 1 2 is left. And so 2 to the 4, 2 लेख्ने यता 2n. So here also same thing. So what is common in between this 3 and 6? So 3 is common. So m plus, so 3 का just 6, 3 to just 6. Otherwise 6 means 3 into 2. So 3 we have already done. So 2 eta lekhne. So in that way we can do it. And in algebra, dot sign means multiply. So because there is multiply sign over here, there is no sign means there is multiply sign. Okay, there is no sign means there is multiply sign over here. अगाडि चाहिँ sign छैन, plus sign हो. पछाडि यो बिचमा चाहिँ sign छैन means it is multiply sign. So dot sign means multiply in case of algebra. Now, so 3 to the 3 to the 6 huncha. 3 to the 6. So m minus 2n. So m plus 2. Okay, so this is our required answer. So 3 to the 6 gardine, you will like same lekdine, ela pani same lekdine, and this is our required answer. Okay. Any problem? Any problem, Nani Babu?
No, sir.
Okay, then let me go to the next question. So we just have 4 minutes left now. Okay, jati bhai answer garo. Number 4. So here also we have factorization. Okay, we have factorization. So there are 4 numbers over here. Eta 2 number wala थियो, eta 3 number wala थियो. Okay, so 4 number wala pani थियो in some of the cases. Okay, so here was a common wala number, but here there are 4 number type of question. So you pani sajilai cha. Let us go for it. Let me zoom this number. Okay. So MA plus NA plus MA plus NB. Okay, MB plus NB. Okay. So is there anything common? So we just have to focus in these 2 numbers. Dita number. Okay. Yo dita sathi, yo dita sathi. Okay. So is there anything common in this 2 number? MA plus NA. Anything common? A is common. Okay, let us write on A as common. So what is left then? M is left. What is left? N is left. Okay, so just focus this number. Focus this number. So A is common. A. M plus N is remaining. So M plus N. Okay, here also B and B they are common. What is left? M plus N is remaining. Okay, M plus N. अब फेरि हेरौँ त यो number 3 को जस्तै भयो फेरि अब M plus N, M plus N. Are they same? Yes, they are same. Okay, So if they are same, then what we can do? So m plus n like common like m plus n they are common. So what is remaining? A plus b they are remaining. So this is going to be our answer. So take common. यता पनि common छ कि छैन एकलाई check गर्ने. Sometimes sign will be different, eh? Number will be same, sign will be different. So अघिको तरिकाले we need to change the sign and we need to do it sometime. Okay. So if there is no anything, so if the numbers are same, just take the number common. So m plus n they are common. So let us write down m plus n as common number. So what is remaining? A plus b is remaining. So let us write down a plus b as common number. Okay. So in this way, we will get our answer. Okay. Hope there is no any problem. But in question number C, there may be problem, or there is no any problem. Okay, there is no any problem. Okay, look at it. So AB for A. Again, focus in these two numbers. AB plus 4A. What is common? A and A, they are common. A and A common, sir. A and A, they are common. Let us write an A as common number. So what is remaining? B plus 4 is remaining. Here also. So what is common? 5B plus 20. We just have 1 minute. Eh? So video may be off in time. So 5B plus 20. What is remaining? What is common? 5, 20. 20 भनेको 5 4 is 20. 5 into 4. It should be set in your mind. 20 भनेको 5 4 is 20. So 5 and 5 they are common. So B remaining. अब 20 मा 5 लेखिसक्यो कति हो ब्रो 4. Otherwise 5 cut 20, 5 4 20. Okay, in that way also we can do it. So 5 is common. So B plus 4. So again you can see the common number. B plus 4 they are common. So what is remaining? So A plus 5 they are common number. Okay, let me go a little bit quickly. Okay. Okay, so you only get the twister area. So m square plus 5m, sorry 5y, 5x plus xy. So is there anything common? X square plus 5y, no common. There is nothing common. Okay, let me do it tomorrow. Okay, because we don't have time, so video may be off. So it will be difficult for you to understand. Okay, so do up to number D as your homework. Okay, 4D. Hope you know the page number. Do up to number 4D as your homework. So number E from remaining